4 ways on how to like a game in Roblox if not available. First, checking game settings. While Roblox generally allows liking games by default, there's a small possibility that a setting within the game itself or your Roblox account might be interfering. Second, logging into the game. This is a crucial preliminary step. Many Roblox features, including liking games, require you to be logged into your account. The simplest way to confirm this is to look for your username or avatar in the top right corner of the Roblox website or app. Third, refreshing the page. Try refreshing the game page by pressing F5 on your keyboard or clicking refresh button in your browser. If that doesn't work, try hard refreshing the page. In most browsers, this involves holding the control key while clicking the refresh button. Fourth, contacting support. Roblox support can investigate account-specific issues, server-side problems, or bugs that may be preventing you from liking the game. Just make sure to gather as much information as possible before you do that.